Hello friends, welcome to the channel, welcome to Traveler Hub. This is a lovely evening out here in Agartala, slightly cold and misty, but the weather is still very soothing. The spirits are high up as this is a New Year evening. I thought of enjoying some tasty food in this evening and also continue to share my experiences with you. I placed an order for some chicken bharta, chicken curry masala and some dal puri. Friends, the food is absolutely fresh, the aroma is lovely and overall very tasty. In case you are here and want to enjoy some food in a budget, please don't forget to try out this place. Friends, as you can see, a variety of recipes are available for you all to enjoy on a very reasonable price. Food lovers can check out this place. I have shared the location on the screen. Then I thought of trying out some chicken roll as well. Here, as you can see on the screen, the chicken roll is in the making. yes, the chicken roll appears to be very, very tasty. Friends, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.